Hey guys, welcome. Quick recap of specs and features on the brand new G20 330E. What do we have? The same engine, the same reliable B40 engine is there, which I'm a fan of. Power wise, well, the engine's been detuned as before, 284 horsepower, and it gets about 380 torque. Not bad actually, but the biggest thing about this car is the fact it's actually longer than before. It's longer by like about 7 centimeters and wider by 1.6 centimeters. So it's a wider and longer car. Not only that, now with its e-motor has been improved, because you know why? Before it was about, I would say about 88 horsepower e-motor, but now they improve it to 113 horsepower e-motor, which sits at the gearbox down there. Now, what that meant is that combined, it now gives you 292 horsepower. Yes, the maths don't add up, but that's the way it is. Because when you add one and one together, you get 3, and you get 292 horsepower because it has the extra boost features in this car. Press a button and you get extra boost, just like a Porsche. Who would have thunk that? Now, they actually added the battery on this to make it more to give you the better range from this car. And what that meant was, from the 7.6 kilowatt battery before, it's now 12 kilowatt of power. What that gives you is the 50 odd kilometers of range. But with range, you do lose something. You will gain, look at that, the 3 Series, you will gain more weight because this is now 80 kilograms heavier. Now I thought with a bigger battery, what that meant was the boot was smaller. But you know what? It's not bad actually. Spec wise, it's actually 5 liters more. So bigger boot space, more blind handling, better leg room in the back in the cabin, because you know what? It's now 7 centimeters longer and it looks a whole lot better. What's not to like about the 3 Series? Well, not much actually. I think it's a looker, something to look out for. Yeah, stay tuned and let's see a walk around video of the car.